If you're in your 20s or 30s, this video is for you. What if I tell you that saving money might actually be holding you back? Don't get me wrong, saving is important. But if all your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's not growing, it's not multiplying, and it's not working. In this video, I'll show you why the real key to financial growth isn't in stacking cash, it's in making your money work for you. So if you are ready to break free from the cycle of saving and start building real wealth, let's dive in. Now, this is why saving alone isn't enough. Most of us were taught that saving money is the key to success. And yes, saving helps in emergencies. But here's the real truth. If your money is just sitting there, it's losing value due to inflation. So what does it mean to put your money to work? When we talk about putting your money to work, we mean using the money you have to create more money. It's about making decisions that allow your money to grow over time rather than just sitting idle in the bank account. Now, let me say a few simple and practical ways you can start doing this, even if you are not a millionaire. One, investing in a small business. You can start by investing in a small business. This could be your own business or someone else's. For example, you might open a food stand, a mobile money service, or partner with a trusted friend who runs something like a clothing shop. Remember that even a small amount can go a long way when managed well. Two, buying and reselling products. Another simple way to put your money to work is by buying and reselling items. You can start by purchasing goods like electronics or clothes in bulk from places like China, Dubai, or even local markets and reselling them at a profit. Three, investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. You can also grow your wealth by investing in financial assets. Stocks and mutual funds are shares in companies or investment groups, and real estate involves buying land or property that increases in value or brings in rent. Four, learning a skill that boosts your income. This might surprise you, but sometimes the best investment is in yourself. Learning a skill that helps you earn more is also a way of putting money to work. Why? Because it increases your value in the workplace. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and drop a comment. What's the one thing you are going to start investing in tomorrow? I'll give you today to think about it. And don't forget to subscribe because you are getting started on the journey to financial growth. My name is Albert McFree. See you in the comments section.